Sa totoo lang, it's not galit but over.
Pinuno Pablo's answer to bashers' galit comment on SB19 Dam. Some people commented that Dam is a galit song and it has become the bashers' #1 comment. Well, for the already prejudiced mind, yan talaga ang unang masasabi. For Pablo the songwriter and the rest of SB19, Dam is definitely not a galit song. In fact, it is more than a song. It is a battle cry and encouragement.
Siguro people would hear it as galit, pero sa totoo lang, it's not galit but overflowing passion eh. Kumbaga, kapag pagod ka na, let's go, kaya natin yan. Ganun siya, hindi siya, it's a battle cry eh. Kumbaga, alam namin na mahirap yung tinatahak namin and some people or siguro sa team namin, kumbaga minsan merong mapapagod or malalaylay. So, yun yung battle cry namin. Hindi siya galit but ano siya eh, parang encouragement. Let's go, kaya natin to, kaya natin yung ipinaglalaban namin, kaya namin siyang